as we are doing our celebration, Christmas celebration in our special assembly of class 3rd B. I am the class teacher of class 3rd B. So my children will be presenting a welcome speech in front of you all. So Sarvi, I'll pass on to you.
Class assembly on Christmas.
Christmas is celebrated across the world with great pomp and show on 25th December every year.
It is the annual festival celebration of Jesus Christ's birthday. The festival of gifts.
The celebration of Christmas is not only confined to the people who practice Christianity, but is also celebrated by people of different religions.
Visit their house and give them friends. So all of you to be ready for a prayer. Stand up, everyone. Please follow me, Samantha.
की बात कर रहे थे और आज आप सबके लिए वो सरप्राइज है। वो सरप्राइज क्या है? आज का सरप्राइज है वो है, सो प्लीज वेलकम सेंटा क्लॉज।
हेलो बच्चों।
Wow, my favorite Santa Claus.
ओह, सेंटा क्लॉज हमारे पास आ गए हैं क्योंकि कल क्या है?
क्रिसमस।
यस, और हमारे साथ क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेट करने कौन आया है?
Santa Claus.
सर, सेंटा क्लॉज हमारे विश पूरी करने और गिफ्ट देने की आया है।
यस सूर्य, बट उसके पहले आप सबको बताना पड़ेगा कि हम क्रिसमस क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। तो कौन बताएगा?
सर, मैं बताना चाहती हूँ।
यस रिद्धि।
थैंक यू सर। हम सब क्रिसमस इसलिए मनाते हैं क्योंकि उस दिन ईसा मसीह का जन्म हुआ था। उनकी मदर का नेम मरियम था। 2 BC to 7 BC के बीच में यहूदा रोमन साम्राज्य में उनका जन्म हुआ था। क्रिसमस के दिन हम एक दूसरे को गिफ्ट देते हैं, चर्च में प्रेयर करते हैं। सेंटा क्लॉज, जिन्हें क्रिसमस का फादर कहा जाता है, वो हमें गिफ्ट देते हैं और
आप सब उनको अपनी विशेष बताएंगे जिससे वो हमें अपनी ब्लेसिंग दें और जल्द से जल्द हमारी विशेष पूरी हो जाएं। सेंटा क्लॉज प्लीज, योर टर्न।
वाह, इतने प्यारे और इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे हैं सब। तो सबसे पहले विश कौन मांगना चाहता है?
Santa Uncle, me.
यस माय चाइल्ड।
My wish is I want a bicycle.
My wish is I become a football player.
I want to be on a good position.
Bless you, my child. रिद्धि, ये रहा आपका गिफ्ट।
Oh, beautiful रिद्धि।
सूर्य, my child, this is for you. Thank you, Santa Uncle.
Wow, beautiful. So children, are you happy?
Yes.
So आपके स्क्रीन पे मैं एक शेयर कर रहा हूँ छोटी सी स्टोरी, आप लोग उसे जरूर देखिए. ओके, सो ये रही आपके स्क्रीन पे ये प्यारी सी छोटी सी एनिमेटेड स्टोरी.
Hello, Tom.
Hello.
Hi, there's a letter for you.
For me? Dear Tom, you will be surprised to
A
get
letter from Santa Claus.
It's from Santa Claus.
One of my elves told me that you're a bit upset because I didn't bring you the blue car. And now all you can think about is how much fun you had with it. So I decided to write to tell you a secret. Amazing adventures await you thanks to the presents I left under the tree. Now that you have a new bike, you'll travel thousands of miles and reach the moon. And then there's the superhero costume. Saving the planet will take a long time. And the new sword. Have you ever seen a real warrior playing with blue cars? And don't forget the cookbook. If you want to be the best chef in the world, you'll spend hours trying out new recipes. Dear Tom, the important thing is not to have a lot of toys, but to have the ones you're really going to make the most of. And I'm sure you know how to do it. Sincerely, Santa.
Tom, supper's ready. Are you all right, Tom? You've been very quiet at supper.
Can you send this letter, please?
A letter?
Yes, for the Tooth Fairy. Dear Tooth Fairy, as Santa didn't bring me the blue car this year, I was going to ask you. But do you know what? I don't think I'll need it. I'm going to be too busy playing with the toys I already have. Also, now I have a new neighbor. And I think we're going to be really good friends. Sincerely, Tom.
Let's start Christmas celebration with dance by Nisha ma'am.
Okay, children, let's start celebration.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to you and all your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to you wherever you are. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy.
Morning everyone, my name is Sargun Kaur. I study in 3rd B class. My positive affirmation is I am happy, I am healthy, I can do everything in the world.
Feed the hungry, clothe the naked, forgive the guilty, welcome the unwanted, care for the ill, love your enemies. So, with this thought, let's have some fun with our Gurdeep sir for the mind power game.
50 seconds to solve this puzzle. You have to answer in on paper. A, B, C, have 1, 2, 3. You have to write down 1, 2, 3. After 30 seconds, you have to give the answer. You are seeing picture. Can you find the outdoor? उसका dog बिल्कुल अलग है. अब your time start now. Okay. Okay. Yes, class. Show me your answers. Okay, good one. Okay, now the next puzzle is which tree is different?